Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I wanted to show you what Casey from Pleasantly Plan was kind enough to send over and my latest purchase from her. And I do want to remind you that I have a code so you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more order, and that code is Stephany15. But as always, I will leave that link down in the description box below. But I am just so excited that all of these items arrived, so let's get right into it. I believe this one is what she sent over, so let's go ahead and open this one up first. And this should be part of her latest release. Actually, this is my own order, so let's put that off to the side. And this one is gonna be some of her newest releases, so make sure that you guys are following her here on YouTube and over on Instagram as well. She does have a YouTube channel and she showcases how she uses her own stickers, of course. So let's see. So look at how beautiful these ones are. I am already in love with it. They are such beautiful muted florals, and this one is called Tranquil. It is just so pretty. And look at this long piece right here, and then we have this corner piece, and then just a little cluster of them. So this is kind of different from what she usually has with her big sheets. She usually has big flowers, and I love that she added these smaller ones. That's so pretty. And she sent over 2 of these, and she does have coordinating boxes. So we have these gray ones that will match so well with like the gray leaves. I love that. So then we have fairy tale, such beautiful greens and shades of blue. So 2 of those. Again, we have that longer sticker sheet, not sticker sheet, but sticker. And then the corner one here, and then these smaller ones. And I love this arched one. That is so pretty. So again, we have the coordinating boxes, and she does have 2 colors of the coordinating boxes, so you can pick and choose which one. So I love this like bluish and more of a like gray color, so I think that is so beautiful. And look at this one, Royal Winter. So this is normally her style, so she'll have really big florals, but with this one she decided to add something different, and I love that. So I love the colors on this one, the blues and the purples mixed in with some green. I think they are so pretty. And then here is the matching coordinating boxes. So these are so pretty, and I love that she does have coordinating boxes, because now that I'm using my Rongrong vertical planner, I am using more boxes. And let me just show you really quick. So here is the first spread that I did, and I added some boxes, which is something that I don't normally do with my Go Get a Girl planner or when I was using a day designer. And now that I'm using a Hobonichi cousin, I'm not really going to use boxes, but in this planner I feel like I can, and so I'm just so excited to be able to incorporate her boxes into my spreads in my Rongrong planner. So I love her latest releases. They are so pretty. And so let me go ahead and show you the other my other orders. So let's see. So as always, we get a thank you card, which is always appreciated. And then let's see. So because I grabbed the bigger florals from her latest release, I love using these smaller florals in my Hobonichi cousin, and they're just the perfect size. And I love these. Look at this corner piece. It is exactly what this bigger sheet is, but just in a smaller version. So I love that she has these two options because I use both of these options in different planners. So I love this one, and here is the smaller sheet of her coordinating boxes, and with the smaller sheet you get both of the colors. So with the bigger one, I chose to get this color right here. So you get a full sheet. So if you were to choose the other option, you would get this color in the bigger sheet. But when you choose the smaller sheet, you get both of the colors. So it just matches so well, and I love that. So then we have Tranquil, and again, such beautiful muted colors. And here is the coordinating boxes, again with both of the colors. And in the big one, I chose to get the gray one, but as you can see, we have this other color that you're able to get in the bigger sheet if you would choose that option. So then we have Royal Winter, and I am so obsessed with this one. I just love the color so much. And here is the coordinating boxes with both of the colors, and these ones are just so perfect for those smaller planners. And we have Captivating from one of the other releases, and I grabbed her coordinating boxes. And then with these ones, these are all of the coordinating boxes of the smaller sheets that I already have, but I didn't have the coordinating boxes because I wasn't using any boxes. But now that I am, I just had to pick up the coordinating boxes from her other releases. So we have the outlined florals, and then we have neutral outline and rapturous. And I love that she includes both of the colors, and we have daydreaming right here. So those ones are the smaller sticker sheets, and then we have some of the bigger ones. So usually I love grabbing 2 sheets from each sheet that she carries, and so I only had one of these bigger florals in the Captivating one, so I wanted to grab another one. That way I have 2 sheets of this one. And again, I picked up the coordinating boxes, so I grabbed this gray color, and I think it just matches so well, so I picked up the boxes. And then I have Daydreaming in the bigger florals, so I just needed the boxes, so I grabbed the purple one. And I have Rapturous, so I picked up the green boxes for that one. And then I have Neutral Outline, and I just needed the boxes. So now I have 2 sticker sheets of each style, just like here. So I'll have both of the big sticker sheets and then the coordinating boxes as well, and same thing for the little one. So I just wanted to complete what I already have, so I went through my stash and I was looking through and just seeing what I was missing, because I really wanted the coordinating boxes to each of them now that I'm using my Rongrong planner, so I can incorporate the matching boxes with the appropriate florals. I think everything is just gonna look so pretty. So I just love everything. Make sure that you guys are following her, and make sure that you guys use code Stephany15 so you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase. But I'm super excited to be able to use all of these florals. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.